In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make money online using Fiverr affiliate program and free traffic methods. What's up, YouTubers? Amar here, and to implement this simple strategy you will need three things. The first thing, find a gig that is selling like crazy, that have lots of 5 stars, and it has also lots of good reviews. And after that, you will need to find people or prospects that are looking and willing to pay for that same service. And the third step will be using free traffic methods to connect the two and make commissions in the process. So before I dive into the details, please consider subscribing to this channel, liking the video, and if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below. So the first thing you need to have for this strategy is a Fiverr affiliate account. Click in the link in the description below and you will be brought to this website, and you will be able to create a free account and you will be instantly approved. You don't need to wait. So click in the link in the description, create a free account, and you will be in this dashboard here. I'm not going to walk you through the registration process because it's very easy and anyone can do it. So once you have your affiliate account ready and set up, you head to fiverr.com and then search for the gig that you want to promote. So it has to be a good selling gig. You can type what you're interested in the search bar here, and also you can search by category. I am going to use this gig here for this example. I used it myself to make the intro video, the one that you saw in the beginning of this video. And I'm using this specific gig for some reasons, and the first one is that there are already 5 orders in queue, as you can see here, and also there are 4,306 5-star reviews. So people have bought and they are still buying this gig here, and they like it, and they are leaving lots of good reviews, as you can see here at the bottom, more than 4,000 5 stars. So this is really a good gig. Like I said, I used it myself and I'm happy with the result. And also it has a good presentation. So this guy here is showing his skills on this intro here. So if you like what you see here, you know that your YouTube intro video will be as good. Okay, great. So mission number 1 is completed. We have our gig. Now what we want to do is make our affiliate link for this gig here before starting promoting it. So what you need to do actually is copy everything that is here on the top. Copy, and then you head to Fiverr affiliate account. You go to here, marketing tools, and then you click on default and deep links. Once here, you click on this button here saying LP URL, and you paste the URL here and you press the enter button. So what you need to do next is copy this link here, Fiverr CPA, cost per action. So you copy it, it has been copied now, and we want to make this link here short because this is a very long link and it's not trustworthy. So we want to make it short, and that's why we're going to head to bit.ly or bit.ly.com. Now what you need to do is actually, everything is free here, this service is free. All you need to do is paste that long link here and click on this button here, shorten, and it will make you a short link, as you can see here. So I can copy this link here, or click on this button to copy it, and then put it on a text document here. You will use it later in the promotion. Now that we have our affiliate link for that specific gig, we want to promote it to the right audience. I will mention two places in this video, but I am sure you can find a ton of other ways where you can promote this link here. So the first place I will mention in this video is YouTube, and since this gig is about YouTube video introduction, the prospects must be using YouTube on a regular basis, and they might be searching for something like how to make intro videos, where to buy intro videos for YouTube, any ways to come up with intro videos, etc. So what you can do is publish a video on YouTube explaining what is the importance of an intro video, and then you can refer the viewers to your affiliate link and show them how good is that gig and what are the amazing results it made for you, just like I'm doing right now with you. So if I write the question how to make an intro video on the search bar, you will see that YouTube will suggest lots of search key phrases. How to make an intro video, how to make an intro video for YouTube channel, for YouTube, for star free, etc. So you can get inspired with these queries here and make a video with these key phrases. The second place I want to talk about in this video is Quora.com. So lots of people are asking questions in Quora and looking for solutions. So if you can find the right questions and answer them, you might get lots of traffic to your shortened link. So I typed here in the search bar how to make a YouTube intro, and it gave me lots of questions related to the subject. So this one here says, how do I make a cool YouTube intro video? How do I create a YouTube intro video for free? How do I make a YouTube intro free and easy, etc. So what you need to do is go through these questions here and find the most interesting ones and come up with a good answer that can rank, and you can link back to your shortened link or to your affiliate link, and if someone purchases the gig, you will get the commission. So basically this is the process I implement. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Cheers.